myself Pramod Nagar. Today topic is plant growth and development. Okay, so next part of the plant growth and development. Last class we'll have discussed about the plant growth types, growth rate types. So today we will discuss about the uh, plant growth and effect of light in plant growth. So today topic is photoperiodism. Okay, what is periodism? Periodism means required of relative light, day and dark night for flowering in plants is called photoperiodism. Photoperiodism means required of relative light and dark period for flowering in plants is called photoperiodism. What it means? Means plant infected by light and plant required of light and dark. So dark and light ratio is effect in plant is called photoperiodism. Photo. Okay. So plant divided in two types basics on photoperiodism. First is SDP, short day plant. HDB means short day plant, means less light day required. Okay, means dark field is critical for SDP. So photoperiodism is required of relative light day and dark night for flowering in plant is called photoperiodism. And basic of the photoperiodism, two types of the plant. SDP plant, short day plant, means less light period required, means day times less required, and dark period is large required, means this is plant time period, and the day and is night. So night period is large. So flowering night period, dark required for flowering in short day plant. Okay, and next is long day plant for flowering in plant. Okay, just as example, it's light, dark and light. His light period is large. Okay, so light period more required for flowering plant in LDP, long day plant. Okay, as an example of short day plant and long day plant. Short day plant is soya bean and long day plant is spinach. Okay, and now how this procedure is long day and short day plant. It's two types of photochrome, two types of phytochromes. One is PR and second is PFR, phytochrome far red. Okay, how the process is in phytochromes and phytochrome far red. Okay, is convert to PFR when incident light of 16 nanometer and phytochrome far red convert to far red when the incident light is 740 nanometer, and for far red, phytochrome far red is more active and this is less active. Okay. So phytochrome far red is required for the long day plant, and phytochromes red required for the short day plant. Okay. So once again is the plant growth and development, photoperiodism. What is the photoperiodism? Photoperiodism is required of relative light and dark period. For flowering in plants is called photoperiodism. And two types of the plant: SDP, short day plant, and long day plant. Short day plant less light period is required, and long day plant is light period is more required for flowering. Okay. And the example of the short day plant and long day plant: short day plant is soybean and long day plant is spinach. Okay. And two types of the phytochromes red and phytochromes far red. Phytochromes far red is more active and phytochromes red is less active. Phytochromes convert to phytochrome far red when the incident light 660 nanometer, and the phytochromes far red is convert to phytochromes red when the incident light is 740 nanometers. Okay, and thank you.